Okay, this video is going to be about I'm going to electric jack, getting rid of this manual jack due to the accident and messing up my hands, but that's where she should go. She'll lift up to 3,500 pounds, so I think it should do it, but everything comes in the kit. You got your nuts and your bolts and everything. I bought straps for it, so all it is 3 bolts right there. Other than that, good to go. Okay, basically all it is 3 bolts right here. You take them out, you pull it out. It's got to be grounded to the chassis, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of sanding, get the paint off here, and also get the paint off there like that. But anyway, let's keep going, get it done. Okay, I'm going to wipe it off real good, and I'm going to sand it down to bare metal. Same thing on that, sand it down to bare metal and put it back in and it'll be installed. I just took some 220 sandpaper because that's all I had laying around, so go ahead and sand it down to bare metal with 3 holes, because actually the jack is grounded to the trailer. You sand it up right here down to bare metal, right here to bare metal. You put little crush rosters in between it, and that's what actually grounds it to the trailer, and then you have one wire that runs directly to the battery, which is a positive wire. So let's get started and get this done. Okay, as you can see, I sanded it down to bare metal. I did the same thing on the jack foot. Now you can take these 3 little compression pins they give you and put on top of it, because that's what those right there, which will ground the jack to the trailer. Get one lined up, and then I'll get the rest of them lined up. By the way, a scamp is, you don't have to use the bottom nut because it's pre-drilled or whatever you call it. All you got to do is matter of tightening them down. 9/16 socket. Okay, it says to tighten them up about 15 foot-pounds, but I don't have a torque wrench, so I'm just going to tighten them up. And then all I got left is hook the wire up, and I have my electric jack. Hey, there you go. Got my electric jack on my trailer, and it works pretty good. I mean, they're a little slow, but other than that, it works pretty good. But a little slow, but I can deal with that. No problem with me. It's even got a little light right there, so if you want to look at it at night or whatever. It's also, if the motor goes bad, it's got a hand crank to come along with it. You just pop this little cap off on the top of it, and there you go. Crank it on out. But all I have left to do is wire it. I got little straps I'm going to use to strap to the side of the trailer so I don't have wires hanging. And then that's a done deal, and I'll have me an electric jack. The one thing I do see, due to the size of that side right there, this wheel's not going to fit on there, so I will have to order me a new wheel that'll fit this jack, because I do use the wheel a lot. But other than that, it's a done deal. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope it gave you an idea, and if it did, go for it. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.